Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, as you can tell by the title or the thumbnail, I will be doing a reindeer look for this Christmas series or Christmas season. I really, like I said in all my videos, didn't do Vlogmas this year or my 12 days of Christmas. I kind of just winged it this year. Before we get further in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any uploads from me. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments, show some love. Follow me on social media. My social media is in the description box, in the pinned comment. It's also going to be across the screen. So just make sure y'all go show some love on my social media platforms. Pretty much all my social media platforms is at Keyera Kaye, and that's Keyera Kaye. So just go ahead and check out my social media. Show some love to your girl. Go ahead and get into this tutorial. The palette that I'll be using today is this Artistry Vault by Melissa, and this is Planet Makeup by Yolanda. This is a 30 color eyeshadow palette, and this is what the colors look like. Now I'm gonna go in with the color that's not cute. I'm gonna go in with that color and add it as a transition color. I think I just want something to darken up my crease just a little bit because I am going to be doing a cut crease. And I just want something to kind of like shadow right up under where my cut crease is going to be, and that's not dark enough. So I'm going to go in with Expensive. That just seems a little bit darker. Alright, so that is pretty much the only thing that I am going to do to like the colors on my brows. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm going to be using Vaseline to cut my crease. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm trying to get better at cutting my crease, y'all, to be quite honest. Because I have like really small eyelids. So, and like they're kind of like hooded. So I have to like actually cut my crease above here. So I really don't be left with like a lot of like, y'all know what I mean, like room. So what I do first is I'll like pat like the Vaseline on, and then I look up, and wherever the Vaseline is, that's where I pretty much cut my crease at. The same way you do with like the, if you were just cutting with concealer or like the eyeshadow base, that's pretty much what I do. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is take a makeup wipe and just wipe away the Vaseline, and all the makeup that's in there will come off super easy. And so you just pretty much just take the wipe and just wipe away. I like to take away little sections at a time because it makes it easier like for mistakes and stuff, and I like to do like the top line last. Like, because I don't have nails on, so like if I had nails on, I guarantee it would be easier for me to like get up in there, girl. Oh, you can barely see my little eyeshadow. Like, what? You can barely see it. I'm so disappointed. But we're going to keep going. Oh, I just feel like I want to put some brown up there. Like, this is crazy. But I don't want to mess it up. I think I'm going to try. Because I just want it to be a little bit darker up there. It looks like a lot of, like, orangey. Like, it's very orange. Okay, so I actually did just go ahead and put That's Not Cute up there. Right, so now I'm going to be going in with my PLouise eyeshadow base, and this is in the shade number 2. It is like obviously 2 shades lighter than the original one that I used. So this is what I'm going to be using to cut across my eye, or cut my crease. So now I'm going to go ahead and start my foundation routine. So I'm going to go in with my CeraVe. Um, this is like a morning moisturizer, but I'm using it for makeup obviously because I usually would do my makeup in the morning. The next thing I'm going to be doing is using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. So I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. This is the closest one I can find. I don't feel like searching for my primers right now or going into my room. So this is what I'll be using today. So for my foundation today, I'm actually going to be using the Juvias Place Velvet Matte Foundation. Okay, so this is what I'll be using on my face today, and I'm also going to be using my makeup sponge instead of my brush. I don't know, I just like the way it applies with a sponge better with this foundation because it's a little bit thicker. I don't know. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing here. Now, do not come for me, y'all. This is actually too dark for my skin. I actually just tried it for the first time the other day when I did my green glittery eyeshadow tutorial, which will be clipped above. But it turned out okay in this lighting, but I know for a fact if I was to leave the house or anything, like, it would be trash. So I am going to use it today because I am doing a reindeer look, and I don't think it looked too bad, especially on camera. So I am going to look a little orange at first. But once I put my concealer on, which I am using a very, very light concealer today because of this reindeer look, so it's kind of going to balance everything out, which you're going to see in this video. And it's not like a too far off from my skin tone. I'm not going to lie to y'all. Like, honestly, I can use this in the summertime. But right now in the winter months, I cannot use this foundation. I probably should only... Y'all, I just looked up at my camera and I look so freaking orange. Like, oh my god. I just bought these cream foundation sticks and I'm going to use them as concealers. So I'm going to be using Dominica for my concealer today because it is very, very light. And then I also go on top with the shade 14 to make it even lighter. Okay, so now I'm just going to start blending. Y'all, I think I'm about to get into cream foundations, like, because this stuff is like so the coverage that I'm looking for. Now, don't get me wrong, I will still use all of my other foundations on the regular daily basis, but I feel like cream foundations give a more fuller coverage as far as like when I do like crazy looks or when I do like something that's more glamified. I think I'm going to start leaning towards creamy foundations more so Juvias Place foundations, because these are bomb. Like, the coverage that I get from these is just beyond me. I think the best match foundation that I have is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, and it is in the shade 338. That is literally the best match for me, especially in the winter months. It is literally perfect for me. But the ones that's the worst, like my NARS foundation right now is too dark for me. Like, a lot of my foundations are becoming a little bit too dark, especially in these winter months. So now I'm gonna go in with my I also use, y'all know I've been using this. I actually just got to the using this as concealer, but I've been using this as my contour stick in Zambia. I've been using this for like almost a year now. So yeah, I'm going to use this one to contour my face. And as y'all know, I'm doing like this crazy reindeer look. So I'm going to contour my face a little bit more than what I would normally do because obviously I need it to be more bronze and goldy. So don't think I'm crazy, y'all. Next thing I'm going to be doing is going in with this lighter concealer just to kind of highlight right up under my eye area to make it a little bit brighter. And then I'm going to go in up here. Alright, so now here's the fun part because I'm going to contour the heck out of my nose. Like, I mean, to the gods. Like, it's going to be really, really harsh. I just really want my inner corner to pop. So I'm putting white eyeshadow in my inner corner. Alright, y'all, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is painting my nose red because I'm going to be Rudolph because I'm unique or whatever. I look so freaking dark. Oh my god. This is a PLouise face paint palette that I used on my channel previously. I will have the link down below in the description box. But I was using this when I was doing my Halloween series. So this is what I'm going to be using today to paint my nose. I look like a clown, y'all. I'm sorry. I wasn't even on camera. I'm so sorry, y'all. Alright, y'all, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my little reindeer dots on my face. With my lip. So I'm going to be using my, y'all know my Expresso lip liner. Y'all know this is my favorite lip liner. Y'all, so that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Also leave some comments and show some love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you are subscribed with the notifications turned on, because that is a big thing. If you don't have the notifications turned on, then you can miss uploads from me. So make sure you have those notifications turned on. Also make sure you, like I said, hit that like button, leave some comments down below, follow me on social media. All my social media platforms is Keyera Kaye, Keyera Kaye. I am on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I even have Snapchat and TikTok. I don't really be on TikTok, but you can follow me if you want to. And they're pretty much all the same. So go ahead and show some love to your girl. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.